How's everybody doing today? My name is Kevin and I'm going to show you guys how to make an orange smoothie. Step number one, we're going to add 5 to 8 ice cubes. Crack some bad boys out of here. Toss those in there. Right after the ice, we're going to add 3 whole oranges. This is going to be maximum orange flavor. Today I have some seedless oranges, so I'm just going to chop them in half, peel them, and put them in. All right, once you got all the peels off, toss those oranges on in there. I hope you guys like vitamin C. The next thing we're gonna add is a container of yogurt. Pretty much any yogurt you have is gonna do the job. I like to use something that tastes good with oranges. In this case, I'm using strawberry yogurt. I think that's gonna work perfect for this type of smoothie. Dump that in there. Move along to the next step. If you guys happen to plan this ahead of time, freeze half a banana, put that on in there, or just use a regular room temperature banana, that'll work too. This next ingredient is super important in making a tasty smoothie, and that is vanilla ice cream. You're gonna put 3 scoops vanilla ice cream into the smoothie. 3. If you're feeling extra sneaky, go ahead and put 4 scoops in. All right, we're on the final step. Go back into your fridge. Final ingredient, orange juice. Now fill the smoothie about 1/4 of the way up with orange juice. Don't overfill it. It's better to have not enough and add some more as you blend. But once you overfill it, you can't go back from that. So fill it up a little less than 1/4 of the way full. Kind of like that. Start with something right about here. All right, we're ready to blend it up. Man, that looks healthy. And just like that, we have a tasty, healthy orange smoothie. Let me know your guys' favorite football or football team down in the comments below. And until next time, I will see you guys later.